Okay, so today is Wednesday, December 18th, and today I learned to not give up, I guess. I don't know. I've just always had a mentality of it's not over till it's over. Like, whenever I play, I remember playing, board games with my family a long time ago, and I'd always be like, let's play until the very end. Even if it's so obvious that someone's going to lose, just play until the very end. I don't know why I've always had that kind of mindset. But I think it's very important, even if the outcome is still not what you want, because I think it just helps build your character and helps you try your best. And I think that's ultimately what I learned today, to just try your best with things, leave it all out on the field. Don't look back on something. Don't build your future you to think, I could have worked harder at that thing. I don't know, just leave it all out on the field, or just try your best with things, because if you try your best, then there's nothing you won't regret trying your best. Now I think maybe there are certain situations where you would regret it, but ultimately, if you try your best and you don't give up, it will, even if you don't get the outcome that you want, it will still build your character and it will still help you grow and help you learn from life, no matter the situation. So I think it's just a good character builder, whether or not you get the outcome you want or you don't get the outcome you want. Just always try your best, always leave it out on the field, and always just have the mindset of it's not over till it's over. Because first of all, anything can happen. Life is very unpredictable, and lots of crazy things can happen. So honestly, anything can happen. But also, if you work your hardest and you get what you want, then you're able to attribute that success to your work, right? If you work your hardest and you don't get what you want, then you'll still learn from that. You'll still build your character, and you'll still have those skills that you've built, even though you technically failed at your outcome. But if you don't work your hardest and you don't get the outcome you want, then you can probably attribute that to not working hard enough, not trying your best. So I just think that you won't regret doing your best. And that's honestly another thing that I've been learning. Do things that you won't regret. Working out. I'm never going to regret working out. But I am going to regret not working out. That kind of thing. So, yeah, just a short one today, but your takeaway for today is to always try your best within everything that you care about, and to do the things that you won't regret, because those things are the kind of the foolproof things that the obvious things that you need to be doing, and you won't regret doing them because they're good for you. So yeah, that's what I learned today. Always try your best, because you're not going to regret doing it, and even if you don't get the outcome you want, you'll still build your character, and you'll still build those skills and experiences from trying your best. So, always try your best. That's your takeaway for today. So yeah, if you like this video, then definitely hit the like button. If you have any thoughts, then definitely leave them in the comments down below. I'm posting every single day, talking about what I learned that day and how I'm trying to apply it to my life and how you guys can apply it to yours. So if you want to see those kinds of videos, then definitely subscribe. Daily Insights 2025 is going to be it is going to be very big. I have lots of cool plans for it, and so I'm just very excited. So if you want to come along with the journey, you want to get better at life, just learn about life, learn about how it works and how we can be more efficient and effective, then definitely subscribe for those kinds of videos. This video is specifically recommended for you, so if you want to watch that, then click on it. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.